you feel it in my rhythm? And would you vibe off my soul? That tingling sensation, temptations overflow. Said, whoa, I can't die. Confess to the feelings inside. Have I been too shy? Oh, how I really wanna be your guy. You blow my mind with your awe and inspiration. True love, you hope and dedication. Honesty from your wisdom and relation. Serenity with you, my love, you're my sensation. You came to me a blessing. Perfect timings for sure. And now things are going, I wish for evermore. Said, whoa, I can't die. Confess to the feelings inside. Have I been too shy? Oh, how I really wanna be a guy. You blow my mind with your awe and inspiration. True love through hope and dedication. Honesty from your wisdom and relation. Serenity with you, my love, you're my sensation. You blow my mind with your awe and inspiration. True love through hope and dedication. Honesty from your wisdom and relation. Serenity with you, my love, you're my sensation. Said, whoa, I can't die. Confess to these feelings inside. Have I been too shy? Oh, how I really wanna be a guy. You blow my mind with your awe and inspiration. True love through hope and dedication. Honesty from your wisdom and relation. Serenity with you, my love, you're my sensation. You blow my mind with your awe and inspiration. True love through hope and dedication. Honesty from your wisdom and relation. Serenity with you, my love, you're my sensation.
Na na na, yeah. Na na na, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Yeah. What can I do to please this craving? You got me fighting in a battle to rehabilitating the way I feel. I can't deny, because addict, living life that is rough. You know you're an addict when you can't get enough. Whether you roll it in a paper or sip it out of a cup, the way of an addict be to never give up. So if you're an addict who's addicted to love, then Jah will rain His blessings down on you from above. Said no matter if you herbalize with alcohol, just raise the tide. The strongest of addiction being is hard to mind. You're the habit I can break, my method of escape, my substance of abuse I depend on night and day. You take away my pain, but can't make it stay. I need a dose of you right away. I can't get over you, I'm craving. No. I need some more of you to save me. 'Cause deep inside I know I'll never let you go. You got me going out of control. You make me say ooh, 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 ooh. I need another dose of you. Ooh, 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 yeah. Need a higher dose of you. Need a higher dose of you. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Said I can't believe it. In this lifetime, I've been searching all my life for a love I can't deny. A love so pure and free, a love to take a hold of me, a love who wanna be together and who will love me forever. A love I see in your eyes tonight, that's just so hard to find. I can't believe that someone like you was so hard to find. I never thought this could be so good, now with you by my side. And though we are worlds apart, you are still in this heart of mine. Because we're in this together, now and forever, in this lifetime. I think I found my love, that angel from heaven above. I found the missing piece, only you can complete me. And I'm so happy now, because there's no way, no how. No one can separate us, no one can stop us now. I can't believe that someone like you was so hard to find. I never thought this could be so good, now with you by my side. Though we are worlds apart, you are still in this heart of mine. Because we're in this together, now and forever, in this lifetime. Said I can't believe it. Said I can't believe it. Said I can't believe it. In this lifetime, said I can't believe it. Said I can't believe it. Said I can't believe it. In this lifetime.
We are the militant soldiers, and you know we're marching on. We are the militant soldiers, and you know we're marching on.
That's right, we're marching all my soldiers, y'all. West Coast, where you at? Yeah, spark it up a little brighter. You could call us freedom fighters. Rebels are active, hurdling over barbed wire. Give it up to Mr. King, pave the way to spread away. Listen to Bob sing, with positive thoughts spring. I rebel with a higher cause, doing my own thing. It's not a side fling. I'm passionate about the ring. This for Malcolm X, for Nelson Mandela, for Tupac Lips. Clench your fists and resurrect to the very last breath. It's rebel coming correct. Definition of struggle, so you can say I'm a vet. They try to put me in check, but it's a rebel effect. Just a rebel on the rise, you gotta give it respect.
We are the militant soldiers, and you know we're marching on. We are the militant soldiers, and you know we're marching on.
What? I got my boots laced tight, stay ready for war. See we burn down the system, melt down them bar. Standing up for our rights, stepping up on the dark. Consideration in a mental way, no take you far now. Marching on up, stepping with Miami. Wife and Belize, yeah, this is just a warning. Killing all them beats, yeah, coming to them charging. I rise roots, Cypress Hill, keep it steaming.
We are the militant soldiers, and you know we're marching on. We are the militant soldiers, and you know we're marching on.
Me and the crooked trees, stay united. Racial